Hi everybody, and it's Heidi. Welcome to my channel, and you are watching Heidi Creates. Today I'm going to just do a really quick video on how to take a pendant or even some beads and make some easy and very quick necklaces. I took some of my own pendants that I've made. I'm also a glass worker. I melt glass with a torch, and I make these pendants. And so I'm going to show you how I've strung them up. This is a nylon cord. Rat tail is another name for it, and it has an adjustable slide to it so that you can adjust the necklace to the length that you want to wear it at. And then this necklace is actually made on it's a manufactured necklace. They are also adjustable. You can slide them pretty large. And if you're interested in these kind of necklaces, I can give you a link down below in the description. Please forgive me, the last 3 days I have been laying flooring in the kitchen, and so my hands are a complete mess. You'll notice I've got bloody skinned knuckles and skin hanging off, so forgive the hands. I've been working hard the last few days. But stay tuned and watch to see how I make a really quick necklace for some glass pendants. This first necklace I'm going to use as an example of how to tie on the pendants or other beads for that matter. This is a nylon necklace. Up here you can adjust the lengths. On the end where you wear it in the front, it has two little about 1 millimeter size nylon cords. You take one of your pendants. This is one of my pendants that I actually make. They are available on my website. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm actually going to go through opposite sides of the loop. If you'll look here, I have a loop. I come in through the right side and coming from the opposite side, the left going to the right. Now those two ends just exchange sides. I'm going to basically do a macrame square knot and kind of get it up there close where you want it. Go underneath the loops right there and then lay it over the top of this cord and go through the opposite loop over here and kind of tight. Basically just do the opposite. We started on the right hand side, so now I'm going to start on the left hand side. I'm going under the necklace, laying this over this nylon cord, then just taking it over the top, going through this far loop here. Just in case you didn't see that, let's try that again. Going through this loop right here, and then pull, tighten the knots. I have to fiddle sometimes just to get it to lay right. All right, we'll start back with the right hand side. Go under and over this side, go over it, pick up this side, the left side, go through the right loop. So this is a square knot, so we're always starting alternate sides. Starting on the left, with the left, go underneath the necklace, over the right side, take the right side, pick it up, go through the loop made by the left, and pull it tight. And just continue that until you fill the space between the pendant and the necklace. It's really hard not to get in the way. Okay. And it looks like it just continues all the way around because they use the same knots in the making of this bail that connects the pendants. Then what I do now is I leave probably about 1/8 of an inch end snip those with some sharp scissors. And then I'm going to take a lighter, burn the ends, and then I just use the lighter itself just to tap that in. Do the other side. And tap it in. And there you go. Pretty seamless. And a quick, easy way to have a necklace. So the next one I'm going to show you, I just have a length of 2mm round of black leather here. String it through. If you wanted to, you could actually take and put some beads on the... If the hole is not big enough, another, which that one, this bead is a little bit too small. It probably could, if I worked it long enough, I could get it in there. You do one on each side, and then they kind of sit on there on opposite sides like this. And then you can actually, let's string it through here. You can get kind of an asymmetrical look like that. So then what I do with the ends, so I take the two sides and I have the ends so they're coming from different directions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this side and the cord from the left hand side, which is now on the right, I'm just going to bring it back and loop, make a loop. I'm going to pass it through the loop, that end, twice, and then pull it through. And you can see that creates a double wrap. I'm not even really sure what they call that. It creates a slide knot. And you can, that's just one side. You got to do the other side as well. So doing the same thing. This right side coming over here to the left side. So I'm going to grab it, about 3 or 4 inches away from the end of this. Bring it back, make a loop, and go through, take your end through that loop twice. It's like tying your shoe, but you're doing it going twice. And then you're just pushing those loops toward the end of the knot. And that creates an adjustable necklace. You can slide the knots up and down and make this necklace as long as you like. And you can see they slide all the way together, and then you just pull the ends apart to make the necklace smaller. I also use I got this 2mm black nylon cord. This works great for making that slip knot as well, and you can create a very fast, easy necklace. So these glass pendants are actually available on my website, which I will put a link to down below in the description of this video.